Okay, so this is a video of my passion fruit. It's a Edulis, Passiflora Edulis, not the Fredericks. They didn't have it, so I didn't get it. This is 1 year old approximately. Planted it, I think last November. So, well, not even a year old. And as you can see, it's already extremely long. I'm hoping that it'll cover up this whole entire section of fence here. With the wood chips being about 1.5 feet deep, compacted. I'm hoping that it'll come across here, fill up this fence as well. Figure it's already about 15-17 feet wide. And I've been hand pollinating this thing. Already done it twice, and each time I did about 20 flowers. And so I gotta do these ones as well, or else I don't know, because I haven't seen very many bees around them, even though the weather has been pretty good. But these are the most beautiful flowers you've ever seen. And their ants just love them, because I'm assuming there's some sweet nectar on the inside, because I don't see any aphids anywhere. You can see this crumbled up one there is probably one that I pollinated. All these closed ones are ones that I've probably pollinated that are turning yellow, whereas the closed ones that are still green, like this one here, probably haven't even opened yet. So this is the update of the Passiflora Edulis, and there's my little watermelon. Alright, come back with another update in about a month.